bridge the gap between high-end pastry and the man on the street, the general public. You're paying £4.50, £5.50, depending on what it is for a pastry, which is exactly the same price, it's a few years ago now, but that's what you were paying for an entremet in Yaocha, which was obviously 1-star Michelin. And so for me, I was just like, well, there's got to be a bit more quality involved. Welcome to Longboys King's Cross. My name is Graham Hornigold, one of the directors here. What we're going to do today is just going to show you 5 of our signature donuts, which are seasonal varieties. So what we have here is we have the chocolate and orange Longboy. What you have with these donuts, and what I'm trying to get across is that we're trying to bridge the gap between high-end pastry and the general public, in the sense that you don't have to pay £15, £20 for a small entremet. You can just come in here and have a more rounded eat versus, just a donut. So that's the skills that we've transferred, is that we make all of the creams ourselves, we reduce the fat and we reduce the sugar. So, and then with the different textures that you put into it, so there's 7 elements in this one, for example, which you wouldn't normally find in a donut. You just get jam and cream, or just chocolate cream and then biscuits on top. So that's how we try to bring our understanding from Michelin and fine dining to the donuts, basically. This is actually a quite recent one, chocolate and orange, a bit like it's Christmas, part of the Christmas collection on somebody's certain orange in a blue box, if you know what I mean. We run with orange cream, then we run with chocolate cream. So chocolate crumb with a touch of fleur de sel or sea salt. Then we have orange confit, which we just chopped down a little bit. We have some chocolate, and then finish with just a few chocolate balls, or chocolate pearls, should we call it. Then you have it, the chocolate and orange Longboy, chocolate cream, orange puree, chocolate crumb with a touch of fleur de sel, dark chocolate, confit orange, and then chocolate pearls. I'm going to give away trade secret here. Everyone's going to be like, oh, Jesus, how does he make money on these donuts? It's got 9 elements in it. All of this goes into this vessel to create the apple and blackberry Longboy, yeah? So we start with a vanilla bun, blackberry puree, then we go a touch of apple puree, vanilla cream, so a touch of caramelized apple, a little bit of crumble, a little bit of cinnamon sugar in there. Again, you don't want these to be too small because you want to taste it. Blackberries, and then just to finish, we have some chocolate, and that is the apple and blackberry Longboy. All good to go. Chocolate hazelnut. This is a vegan one, but we don't necessarily use the word vegan because it puts people off. We call it a brioche bun, but essentially all donut doughs, and the majority of donut doughs, unless they're sourdough, are brioche in that sense. In fact, that you make a ferment, you make a dough, then you enrich it with butter. So it's essentially what we have here. Just roll it through sugar. When we started, we used to have orange powders and everything like that, but obviously that was Michelin chefs still thinking that they're in bloody Michelin kitchens instead of donut shops. Now, piping is a bit of a skill that most people think that they have mastered, but not necessarily. Chocolate cream, just into the center. Pipe it, stop, cut it off. With terms of garnish, anything that you make, there's always a front and a back. Don't be shy with the garnish, and more importantly, don't be uniform with the garnish. And then we just finish with a couple of chocolate discs. Chocolate hazelnut, which is chocolate hazelnut crème, toasted hazelnuts, and dark chocolate. So now we're going to move on to the triple chocolate, which is chocolate brownie, chocolate crumb, a touch of fleur de sel, and chocolate cream. Big amounts of the chocolate cream, brownie pieces, chocolate crumb, large form again, chocolate crumb, chocolate cremu, chocolate brownie. So PBJ has been on since the start, and it essentially was our first vegan donut. Hasn't come off. We don't necessarily, again, like I say, use the word vegan, but yeah, ideally you don't taste the difference. That's the beauty of it. We try not to put things on where you can tell the difference between vegan and non-vegan. Cassis. Don't be shy with that. Best jam in the world, Cassis. Blackcurrant for you guys who don't know what I'm saying. Peanut butter cream. Just peanut butter, blended. No, it's not. Trade secrets. Anyway, don't be shy with the peanuts. There you have it. Longboys, PBJ. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Staff Canteen and click here for more videos like this.